How come Africans did not explore other continents? Now that's a big fat lie you've been made to believe. Africans have been traveling and exploring the world beyond their continent since antiquity. Documentation of the African presence outside the continent begun as soon as the Kingdom of Kush expanded into Western Asia in the 7th century BC and would continue into the early centuries of the Common Era when Kushite envoys were a regular presence in Eastern Rome. While the African presence in Asia is better documented, African journeys into Europe also occurred fairly regularly since the early first millennium. African royals, students, and pilgrims from the kingdoms of Nubia and Ethiopia explored the capitals and pilgrimage sites of Eastern and Southern Europe. West African scholars and mercenaries visited Islamic Spain, and a few joined their North African peers to create an African kingdom in southern Italy. After the fall of the Byzantines, African embassies and scholars from as far as Mali to Bornu and Chad begun making an appearance at the Ottoman capital Istanbul. By the early modern era, the presence of African travelers in southern Europe was far from a novelty.